Grayson AJ Special from the outside, Yellow Soldier, Monday Star, Kissable Toys Mary also moving up. Yellow Soldier by Alankana, followed by Monday Star in second. AJ Special, Kissable Toys rising up, Bright Olympian. Mary reaching in 6, 7 position. Yes, Commander 8, Loving Me 9, Senora Anita 10 belongs to Don. Edward's Best by Daryl is NC. Third last entry number 4, Ampure. And Tina's Smile, second last. As they raise the corner, it's now Monday Star by Alankana, Yellow Soldier, AJ Special, Bright Olympian, and running in fifth by about 5 lengths, Mary, as they swing for a Monday Star from the outside. Yellow Soldier down on the inside, and on the outside is Bright Olympian, AJ Special, and nearing the finish line, it's now Yellow Soldier. Monday Star is on the outside. Monday Star, Yellow Soldier down on the inside, and Senora Anita, Yellow Soldier, and nearing the finish line, Yellow Soldier, Senora Anita, Monday Star, Don Edward's Best, AJ Special, and for your Super 6,